Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. Today I will show you how to turn on quiet mode on Instagram. Well, quiet mode is a settings that you can actually turn off the notification so you can get bothered on the notification sound from your Instagram. So you go over to the profile icon at the bottom right corner, and then you can go to the three lines. You tap on the three lines at the top right corner, and then you need to tap on the settings and privacy right here, and then here you can now tap on notifications, and here you can see the quiet mode option, so you just tap on that option and you can see here the quiet mode. It says right here, will mute notifications during quiet mode. Your status and auto reply will be updated to a quiet mode during the time that you choose. So you can actually set this automatically from this time to time. From, for example, I will go from 10 p.m. and then tap on OK, then to 7 a.m., for example. So you can turn it on for up to 12 hours. So you can toggle on this quiet mode so you can be bothered on any notification sounds on your Instagram. So that's it. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you on the next video.